Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by SEBI for young professional. Friends, so it's released the vacancy under young professional program and the date of notification was 4th January 2022. So let's quickly go through the details and the vacancy. So friends, they have released the vacancy under young professional program in different domains, and one of them is security market operations, that is SMO, and then law, information technology and research. So here we will discuss about security market operations related vacancies, and the age and nationality criteria is that you should be an Indian citizen and your age should not be more than 30 years as on the date of publication of advertisement. So that is as on 4th January you should not be more than 30 years. And general essential skills that you require to have the basic understanding of financial markets, analytical abilities, knowledge of information technology tools, written and communication skills, etc. That are the basic essential skills that you should possess. Now let's talk about the education qualifications, work experience, etc. requirement. So friends, for young professionals under securities market operations, they are asking either a postgraduate in management, in that specialization should be in finance from recognized university, along with a minimum 60% marks. So that is, if you are having a postgraduate in management with 60% marks, you are eligible to apply. Or you should be a chartered accountant, company secretary or cost management accountant with minimum 55% marks in your final, so you are eligible to apply. Or you should have completed level 3 of CFA, then you are eligible to apply. And friends, you need to have 1 year post qualification experience. So that is, if you are postgraduate in management or a CA, CS, CMA or level 3 CFA, after that you need to have 1 year post qualification experience to eligible for this position. Now if we just quickly mention about the young professional law, here they are asking bachelor's degree in law with minimum 60% marks, and here also they are asking 1 year post qualification experience in corporate or security laws. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you can apply for law post also if you are having the essential qualification. Now if we talk about number of vacancies, so friends, for securities market operations there are total 16 vacancies for young professionals, and for law total 10 vacancies are there. So there is a lot of vacancies under this categories. And duration of engagement, so friends, this is a contractual job, not a permanent one. Here you will be initially engaged for 1 year, then later it can be extended to 2 stretches of 1 year each. So that is total your contract will be of a maximum of 3 years, it can be there. So initially 1 year and can be extended by 2 more years depending upon your performance. And your place of posting will be head office Mumbai, so you will be placed in SEBI's corporate office in Mumbai. Then here they have mentioned about the leaves, that you will be entitled to 12 days leaves in a year, and if you have take leave in between, so intervening weekends or public holidays will not be counted in 12 days. So that's really a good thing, else you will just have a 12 days weekdays leave, but here they are allowing even intervening weekends will not be counted. Now the important one, stipend. So friends, here you will be paid monthly stipend of 60,000 all inclusive. So that will be the gross payment that they will pay you 60,000. And if young professionals are not based out of or around Mumbai, you may avail unfurnished shared accommodation provided by the board subject to availability, and no additional payment or reimbursement will be made in event of non-availability of accommodation. So if they have accommodation available, then they will provide you, and if not, then you won't be paid anything extra. Then they have mentioned various other terms and conditions that you need to adhere to, such as like that prohibition on speculation, that you will not indulge in trading or speculation of stock securities, because you are working with the SEBI and you might have the insider information, so you should not indulge in any kind of a trading or speculation. Then there are certain restriction on investments by you during this period. As I mentioned earlier, that you will be considered as a deemed insider because you will have the crucial information, so you will be considered as an insider if you deal with securities during your tenure. Then the application and selection process, friends, application will be available on the SEBI's website under career section. You can go through there and fill the application, and your application window will be open for 21 days from the date of publication of advertisement. So that is from 4th January 21 days, so till 25th January the applications are open. So if you are interested, you can fill the application online. Then they have mentioned general instructions for application form and all, you can go through them in detail. Now let's talk about the selection process. So friends, your selection will be 3-step process. In first step, they will carry out application screening. So based on the various parameters, they will shortlist the candidates based on the application received, such as based on their academic performance, relevant work experience, statement of purpose, extracurricular activities, and all those things. Based on that, they will evaluate you and shortlist you. Further, additional factors will be considered, such as if you are having any certification like some CISA, DISA certificate, so preference will be given in that case. Then your second step will be preliminary interview to be conducted in virtual mode, that is online only. They will conduct the preliminary interview, and based on that they will conduct the final interview, and after that they will shortlist the candidate. And mentorship and regular feedback, so you shall report to division chief, that is general manager or deputy general manager, who will act as your mentor and regularly oversees your performance. And your performance will be assessed 2 times in a year, that is at the end of third month and at the end of 9 months. Based on that, they will evaluate your performance and decide whether to extend your tenure or not. So this is the total application. You can go through that in detail. I will put the notification link in the description, and if you find it interesting, you can fill the vacancy. Friends, it's really a good opportunity for those candidates who don't want to pursue as a regular career with the SEBI, but just want to get a experience in the securities market. And if you are meeting the desired education qualification, then you should definitely apply and give it a try, since it's a contractual job and you will get a lot of exposures working with a regulatory and statutory body such as SEBI. So do give it a try if you are meeting the eligibility criteria. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.